Hello, in front of me I've got Throne and Liberty. In this video I'll show you how to upgrade your character. In the beginning, while you are leveling up, you gain skill points. Go to character, and as you can see right here we've got stats points. We can assign them to strength, dexterity, wisdom and perception. Right here we've got our statistics for the character. Base damage, attack speed, range, melee defense, magic defense, range defense. All of those statistics can be upgraded by assigning your skill points to strength, dexterity, wisdom and perception, and by wearing better gear or upgrading your gear. Strength and dexterity are mainly for melee characters. Wisdom and perception are mainly for wizards, but also they can increase your magic defense. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.